Hi guys, my name is Gifmo Makuju and welcome back to this yet exciting tutorial where I'm going to cover how to add a sparkline in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So right, we are here in this sparkline worksheet where I've included a fictitious data of sales by product which is denominated in US currency, right? And we use sparklines to visualize our data. And normally we use sparklines when we also want to spot trends, data trends or sales figure, want to spot sales trends, things like that. So without wasting time again, let me just show you how to do that. So to insert a sparkline, all you need to do is first of all have some data like here, and then for now we just want to spot the sales trend for Dell laptop. Okay, so let's just click in this cell, and let's just and once I click in this cell, and then I can go to insert here, and I'll go to the section for sparklines. Okay, and then I'll choose a sparkline. Okay, and after I've chosen a sparkline, then here this window is prompting me to choose a data range. Okay, where I want to generate the sparkline. So I'll start from January. So I'll press shift on my keyboard, and then I'll select the data. And once I'm done selecting, I'll press OK. Perfect. As you can see, we have generated our first sparkline that is showing a sales trend. And the overall analysis here is that the sales for Dell laptops are growing. Okay, see there's an upward trend here. At first the sales were low, but they were going up and down, due to various reasons. Maybe people were not aware of our brand, or they were not yet aware of our business. There could be various factors that might have led to this, but here the basic understanding is that the Dell revenue figures, the sales trend is positive. It's lucrative. It's looking great. Okay, so now let's try to customize this. So to customize this, go to design, and let's choose our high point. Our high point is this, and let's choose our low point. So we're gonna use red. Okay, so red will say, okay, this was the lowest point, and blue will represent the highest point. Okay, perfect. So let's do the same. Let's insert another sparkline for the HP laptops. Okay, so let's just go to insert, and this time around let's choose a column, and let's choose the data range here, and let's do this. So once done, click OK. As you can see, this is a mini chart, a mini bar chart. It shows us we can see that at first the sales were very low, and they rose in March, and in April they were down, things like that. You can see, and the overall trend is that the sales are not that very bad, but they are not. We need to focus more on this product to, maybe we can put more effort in marketing and advertising this product, things like that. And whether we can also offer promotions to encourage more purchases of this product. Yeah, we can do that. So let's just customize this, and let's choose this. Okay, perfect. So let's put another trend line like the first one. So let's do insert there, let's choose line, and let's choose the data range like so, and like this. Perfect. And let's design this. Let's choose our highest point, lowest point. Let's choose our lowest point, which is red. So the overall sales trend as well shows that it's growing. Okay, so the sales for both Dell and Toshiba, the sales trend is the sales trends are showing that the sales are growing. Let's see here. Let's choose another one, the column one, and let's do this. Perfect. Like, so let's customize this. Perfect, as you can see. So basically this is how you can insert trend or sparklines inside your data set. And normally this is handy when you are doing financial analysis. Let's say you are analyzing sales, you are analyzing costs. For example, you are doing an income statement analysis. You just want to see what's the overall revenue trend, for a period of 5 years or 10 years, things like that, depending on what you are really trying to investigate. Okay, so I vouch for these sparklines. They are so handy. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have learned a lot. And please feel free to add your suggestions, your comments, what you think on these tutorials. And also you can you can give suggestions on areas that you want me to make other tutorials. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you.